guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. If you're seeing me for the very first time, hi there, I'm Nidhi Jain and welcome to the Trend Diaries. Please consider subscribing and joining the Trend fam and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out anytime Nidhi is on YouTube. So yes, now let's begin with today's video. Today I'm finally being reviewing the most requested video. This is gonna be a complete in-depth review demo as well as a 10-hour wear test of LA Color Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. So I have been testing this foundation for a week now and I have gathered all of my thoughts on this bad guy. So if you want to know them, then please continue watching. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the LA Color Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation, and that was a long mouthful name. So yes, this is the foundation. Now talking about the packaging of this foundation, it is a plastic packaging, but a really sturdy hard plastic. एकदम cheap वाला plastic नहीं है, काफ़ी sturdy है और heavy लगता है हाथों में. It is nice, heavy as well as sturdy. Talking about the quantity you get of this foundation, you get more than standard quantity. That is, you get 40 mils of product or 1.35 fluid ounces. So that is a little more than the standard one, which is 30 mils. So that's a good thing, okay? In India, this foundation retails for MRP 575, but I got it off Hook Makeup for Rs 400. It was on discount. Now the shade which I got is CLM 360 Cafe. So this is the shade. For reference, I am NC 42 to 44 in MAC. And oh my god, you guys, this shade is like my skin tone in a bottle. It is exact match for me. It looks so damn beautiful. I'm gonna rave about this foundation in the next few minutes, but yes, let me tell you that. So this shade is really beautiful. It has nice yellow undertones to it, which suits my skin tone really well. So when you open the lid off, which has the brand name right on it, you get a nice pump inside, and the texture you see, it is a nice thick and not at all fluidy or liquidy. It is nice creamy finish. Now as I said, this is having a nice yellow undertone. It is really creamy, you guys. The coverage of this foundation, guys, is full on coverage. It gives a full coverage beat, literally. Now if you apply a really small amount, still it is gonna cover up everything. All the darkness of your life is gonna be covered by this foundation. Like, I was blown away when I first wore a tiny pea-size amount of this foundation. Like, my acne scars were all covered up completely. You couldn't even say I ever had any acne, okay? I never did, okay? Because I never did. But it covers so damn well. It is rightly said high pigment foundation. The coverage is super and insane, you guys. The finish, I would say, is a powder matte finish, but a smooth looking powder matte finish, which is like somewhere in the between dewy as well as powder matte. That kind of finish this foundation gives. Like, it is not completely powder matte like the Superstay from Maybelline. That is like complete powder matte, but this is a smooth looking powder matte, because of which it looks really natural and skin like. Really like the finish of this foundation because I just look more healthy. This foundation is buildable, you guys. It does look cakey if you apply 2 or more layers, but actually you don't really need that much of foundation because you get the coverage in instant 1.5 layer. So yes, that was that. And talking about oxidation, you guys, this foundation does oxidize. Now this one was live swatched in front of you. You can see this was the swatch which we had done earlier, and this one is the fresh swatch. You see it has oxidized to a shade darker. So yes, this foundation does oxidize to a little one shade darker, so I don't mind that actually. Yes, it does oxidize. About the blendability of this foundation, you guys, it is easy peasy. It is that easy to blend. It does not require a lot of effort or you have to work on it, because this is gonna blend really easily. Though it's a full coverage bead, it is a creamy formula, but it blends like a dream. So this does blend really effortlessly and seamlessly for giving you that natural looking full coverage finish. Like you can see in the wear test, I applied this like early in the morning, like 11 or 11:30 I guess, and then I removed it by late at night, and this lasted really good. And yes, I was sweating like a pig that day, and I don't know, my dry skin has become a kind of combination currently. So my T-zone was oily, like you can see, like I was looking like a disco ball in the centers of my face. But even though my skin was so oily, this foundation did not wear off or crack off, or the coverage didn't fade away. So that was a good thing, that even though I was getting oily like a pig, the foundation, the coverage was still there. Only at the end, like 9 or 10 o'clock I guess, I saw some of my acne scars to be seen easily. So there somewhere the coverage was faded, but I tried blotting the oil with the tissue paper, and yes, it just took the oil off and my foundation looked revived. So I guess that is not a big problem. And also I did not set this foundation because I wanted to see how this foundation lasts on its own. Yes, I also tried this with powder, and it does give a more matte finish comparatively, and I was not that oily when I did set it, and I primed before. So yeah, that was a heads up. But yes, it did last for a really good amount of time. So overall, I'm being loving this foundation. This is just superb. Like for 400 rupees you're getting 40 mils. It is like a really inexpensive foundation for such a good finish and such a good coverage. If you're looking for an affordable option for a really full coverage foundation, then I would highly recommend this guy. Get this and you would not regret buying this. It is so damn good, and the packaging is like heavy, you guys. I feel I've hold on onto something. Foundation has a shelf life of 4 years. It is having the best before of April 2023 and was imported in 2019. So that is a good amount of time that you can easily finish this off. So yes guys, that was my complete review on the LA Color Truly Matte Foundation. I hope you guys really like this video. अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो hit कर like button और subscribe करना channel को if you haven't done that already. हम मिलेंगे next video में. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending. Has shelf life of 19 to 20, 20 to 21, 21 to 22, 24 years.